Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this very gorgeous transparent envelope along with this beautiful daisy flower greeting card. So I'm just opening the envelope and can you see this? This is transparent from both the sides and you can see your greeting card very easily from the envelope. So I have just slided the card from the envelope and can you see this how gorgeous this is looking. These are half daisies which I have created and these are made using paper quilling strips, and along with the flowers I will also share how to make these cute ladybugs. These are looking really pretty. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. First I'm taking this card base which measures 18 by 18 centimeters. I have just folded this in half and added one pattern paper on top which measures 8.5 by 19.5 centimeters. Now I have this beautiful scallop border rectangle which I am going to add on the card base. Like this. Then here I have just cut the green paper using grass dye by Little Birdie and I'm just sticking it in the bottom, and on top of this I have this fence dye. So using brown color craft cardstock I have cut this fence, and on back side of the fence I have added double-sided foam tape just to give it little dimension. So I am just removing the liners. And then I will stick it on the grass. Like this. So for this I have used this thin cut die by Little Birdie for grass and for the fence. Now I will start with making the half daisies. So here I am taking half strip of white color 2 mm and making one bended teardrop shape. You can also use 3 mm strips. So in total we need 7 petals for one flower, 6 bended and 1 normal teardrop shape. So I am just going to add all my 6 petals together and constructing the half daisy flower. So this is done. Now I am taking here half strip of yellow color 5 mm. I am just folding this strip in half and then I will start cutting small fringes using scissors. I am making the center for the daisy flower. And this is done. Now opening it and then start rolling it using quilling tool and make one fringe flower. Open the fringes and I am going to attach this fringe flower exactly in the center of this daisy, and this is done. In the same way we need total 4 daisies. So keep it aside for drying. Till that time I will show you how to make these cute ladybugs. These are so pretty. For this I am taking half strip of red color 2 mm and making one dome shape. securing the dome using glue. Then I am taking 1/8 strip of black color 2 mm and making one bended semicircle for the face. Like this. Just bend it using the tool. And then I am just sticking the red dome with the face. So this is done. Now I will show you how to do the marking on the body. So I have already prepared one. Just using my black color marker, I am making one line in the center and some dots on left and right sides. And your ladybug is ready. So I have prepared total 4 ladybugs. Now taking back my card, and just to give the realistic look to this fence, I am just adding some marks of the wood using brown color marker. This is completely optional step, but it will enhance the beauty of your card, I am sure. Then I have already prepared some foliage cutouts using green color paper, and for this I have used this die by Dress My Craft. So first I am going to attach these foliage in the base. And then on top of this I am just adding my daisy flowers. After that I am just sticking these cute ladybugs here and there, some on the flowers, some on the fence, and some here and there. And this is done. Now starting with the envelope, so taking this white cardstock which measures 29.5 by 19 centimeters. From left side I have creased on 9.5 and 19.5 centimeters. So just folding the creases and burnishing it using bone folder. Then rotate your sheet, and from this big part I have created one border on 1.5 centimeters from each side. So I'm just cutting the inner frame by leaving 1.5 centimeter gap, and I'm cutting it using my paper cutter. So just removing the cardstock and the frame is ready. We can fold it like this. Then here I am taking two connectors which measures 10 by 3 centimeters. Just fold this in half, chopping the corner diagonally. And to construct the envelope, I am sticking these connectors on left and right sides in the middle part. So we can close the base part like this. Now we need to cut one more frame on the base part. So I'm just tracing the outer frame on this inner sheet. And I will cut this frame as well using my paper cutter. So after cutting both the frames, it will look like this. I have already added the acetate sheet with this. And now in the center part, first I am attaching one pattern paper. Then I added the tacky tape on these connectors. So just removing the liners and sticking this base. And this is done. So the envelope is ready. Now it's time to attach the acetate sheet on the front part. So here also on top I am adding the acetate sheet, removing the liner and then adding one piece of acetate sheet. Before that, don't forget to add one ribbon piece and then I am covering it with acetate sheet. This is also known as OHP sheet. And then just for the finishing, I am adding one pattern paper frame on top of this. Then on back side also I am adding one piece of ribbon and covering it using pattern paper strip. Like this. And the envelope is ready. Now I'm just decorating the corners of the envelope using some pre-cut flower designs. Now just opening my envelope and adding my cute daisy card inside this. You can write any extra message inside the card if you wish. It is fitting perfectly inside the envelope. And now I'm quickly tying one knot using ribbon, and it's very beautiful and you can create it very easily. Very unique idea to gift it to someone special. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.